Yo, Wincrease team, what's going on? It is April 17th, 2021, and of course, the market is officially closed. I want to start this one off by saying if you enjoy what you're hearing, make sure that you press that like button, subscribe, and every time I drop new content, you will be notified. All right, so let's hop right into the market. What we're looking at is the S&P, ticker SPX. The market closed on Friday at 4185.47. And as you can see, that is near, yet again, I feel like I say this every single week, near record highs. Near those record highs. Record high is 4191.31. And remember last week, my height that I had was 4,200. That was what I saw the market continue to go to, and we got pretty close to it. It's only about $9 off. To be precise, it's exactly $8.79 or 69 cents. So that's pretty close to the 4,200 target. As you see, there's nothing really wrong going on here except for that it just went straight up, and we got no chin checks on this right now. No tests whatsoever, but we're going to put our level now. There is my tool. 4,200 is the target. That's about it right there. So if the market does decide to pull back at some point in time, it will. And when it does, we're going to actually look to see what happens at this 4130 area. If that 4130 can hold up, then that's pretty good. If not, then we have the next level will be around 4080 that the market can fall to. But that's only if we have that chin check and we get knocked back. As of right now, we are continuing to be bullish. The market looks good. So that's S&P. Let's go ahead and check out the Russell, ticker IWM. If you recall last week, I was saying that this is the only one that I had on my list as being a little bit cautious on, because we had our move towards the 230 mark and it ended up backing off. Now we see that 220 has sustained and the market is trying to push higher. That's actually a good signal. If we would have had this thing go lower and break this 220, then we would have moved lower to this 210 area. But because that 220 support held up, we're likely going to continue to move higher. But as I noted last week, I want to see how IWM acts around 230. If 230 can get punctured, then we are definitely moving to that 250 target. So that is going to be it. Remember to check out Stocks and Bars podcast every single week. Check out my brothers Marathon Money, where they give you their stock tips every single week. Cam and Kenny give you the best in the business. All right, so we will check you out next week. Until then, enjoy yourselves. Peace.